Hi friend, welcome to the daily quiz. In this video, test your observation skill. Can you find the odd number and letter within given time? There are three levels: easy, medium, hard. Are you ready? Let's go. Welcome back, my respectable viewer. Nobody cannot find the odd letter E between F within 10 seconds. Great start. This is the letter E. 50% audience failed to find the odd number 52 among 25 in just 10 seconds. Excellent, my viewer. This is the number 52. One Tuesday emoji breaks the rule of the pattern. Can you find the odd ice cream bar emoji in just 8 seconds? Yummy, that's the odd ice cream emoji. Come on, my genius viewer, test your observation skills. Can you find the odd letter HF between FH within 8 seconds? Outstanding. This is the letter HF. Come on, my genius viewer. One of these ice cream emoji here doesn't quite fit in. Can you find in 8 seconds? Yes, this emoji doesn't fit in. Come on guys, can you spot the odd number 98 among 89 within 8 seconds? Good job, this is the number 98. Hey viewer, which hot dog ice cream feels out of place? Can you find the odd emoji in 10 seconds? Boom! This is the hot dog ice cream emoji. Hey my smart audience, can you solve this math question? 16 multiplied 2 in just 10 seconds? Excellent. Option 3, 32. Hey viewer, can you find the odd ice cream strawberry flavor in just 8 seconds? Exactly, this ice cream emoji. Hello my genius, can you spot the odd one out letter like up between PU within 8 seconds? Great news, this is the letter UP. Hello my smart viewer, can you find the odd ice cream robot vehicle in just 10 seconds? Sharp eye, you found it perfectly. Only 3% sharp eyes viewer pass this challenge. Can you find the odd number 71 among 17 within 8 seconds? Great job, this is the number. Easy level done. Medium level start. Round 13. Only eagle eyes can find the odd letter HTV among TVH within 15 seconds. Yes, this is the letter HTV. Only my genius viewer can solve this mathematical question. 687 multiply 4 and divide by 26 in just 15 seconds. Right option 2. Answer 2. Anybody can find the odd letter AYX between XYA within 15 seconds. Brilliant! This is the letter AYX. Hey my smart audience, which country is called Land of Rising Sun? Can you solve in 15 seconds? Yes, option 2, Japan. Hello genius, can you find the odd number in 10 seconds? Excellent, this is the number. Look closely, something unexpected is hiding here. Which one is it? Super, this one the odd emoji. Only the smart guys can find the odd number in the given time. Good job, this is the number. Hey viewer, can you pick the odd one letter in time frame? Hello my honorable viewer, one letter is different in the below letters. Can you find in 15 seconds? Great job, this one is the different letter. Hey my genius audience, one number is different. Can you find the odd number in time frame? Super, this number is different from other. In this quiz, my viewer, check your sharp eyes. Can you find the odd emoji in time? Hello my gentleman viewer, check your brain. Can you find the odd emoji in 15 seconds? Good job, your brain is perfect. Medium level done, hard level start. First question of the hard level. Hey viewer, test your visual skills. Can you find the odd emoji in 15 seconds? Nice work. These emoji. Can you spot the odd number in time? Good job, you spot the number. In this quiz, check your IQ level. Can you find the odd number in time frame? Hey viewer, are you focus master? Can you find the odd number in 15 seconds? One of these emojis is different. Can you see it? Hello my genius viewer, can you find the odd one in 15 seconds? Only the sharp eyes can find the odd emoji in time frame. Hey viewer, can you identify the odd number in 15 seconds? Hey viewer, test your brain power. Can you find the odd number in time? Hey viewer, which emoji breaks the rule of this pattern? Can you find the odd emoji within 15 seconds? Outstanding! This is the emoji. The last question. Only my smart viewer can solve this math question. 985 multiply 2 in 15 seconds. Come fast, viewer. You found it? Come on, time is up. Please like and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to share your score in the comment box. Thanks for watching.